Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be 5 minutes for a full body stretch, beginner flexibility, gentle workout to move. Let's begin standing at the top of your mat, the top of your space. Stand evenly between both feet. Find correct, good posture, palms touch. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Arrive. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Keep them shoulder width, relax the shoulders down, lengthen the tailbone. Inhale, look up between the hands, reach. Exhale, bend the knees, swan dive forward, over the legs. Round up to stand. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms above the head. Seal the palms this time, look up, reach up. Exhale, bend the knees and forward fold. Hands on the mat, step the right foot back to a lunge. Tall on the toes of the back foot, left knee over the ankle. Inhale, lower the right knee, draw the shoulders back and pause. Exhale, press back up to your lunge and press off the back foot, forward fold over both legs, skin right to left. Round up to standing. Arms overhead. Seal the palms, breathe in, look up at your hands. Exhale, swan dive forward. Left foot steps back to a lunge. Feel a stretch through the bottom of the back foot, right knee over the ankle. And lower the left knee, draw the shoulders back. Return to a lunge, lift the back knee, and step to the top of your mat. Relax over both legs, starting to find a little more space. Round up to standing. Stand tall. Turn to face the long edge of your mat. Separate your feet. Toes point forward, hands to hips. Forward, fold over both legs. Bring your hands to the mat if you'd like, or blocks. Let's keep the feet flat. Bend into the left knee. Stretch the right inner thigh and the outside of the right ankle. And carefully walk over to the other side. So this time we're stretching the left inner thigh outside of the left foot. And come back to center. Halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Keep the right hand down and keep your left hand within your view as you twist open to the left. Keep the feet flat. And switch sides. Left hand down, right arm up. Make sure you can see the whole arm and that you're reaching away. Right hand down. Hands to hips to help you to stand up. And step 2, the top of the mat. Stand up tall. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Lift up, reach up. Long exhale, forward fold over both legs. Place your hands in front of you, lift onto your toes, and bend the knees, sit down on your heels. Optional balance as a cosmic egg. I just like saying that. Hands to the mat, press the legs straight as you relax over them again. Long exhale. Slowly round up to standing. Stand up tall, stand evenly between both feet. Bring the palms to touch. Connect back to the present moment. Connect to your breath. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being here. Thank yourself for taking this time. Let me know if you liked this with a like, a comment, a subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste. Or there's the Mayday one.